Hello friends, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today we are going to see the water working. This is a science experiment. So let's begin. Here I have 5 glasses, out of which 3 of them are filled to the top with water. Then 3 primary colors. Those 3 colors are red, yellow and blue. Now stirring stick and tissue paper. So let's begin. Now the 3 glasses which are filled with water, we are going to put colors in them. So in one of them I am going to put red color. So I am going to add 6 to 7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the first glass I have added 7 drops of red color. Now I am going to add 6 to 7 drops of yellow color in the second cup. Here. And in the third glass, 7 drops of blue color. Now I am going to stir them with the stirring stick. Like this. This is the red color. Now I have stirred these 3 glasses and the remaining 2 glasses I am going to put them in the middle of these 3 glasses. Now the order of the colored glasses should be the same because we are going to mix these colors to make a different color in the empty glasses. So the first glass should be of red, then an empty glass, then yellow, then again an empty glass and then blue color. Now we need a tissue paper. We have to roll this tissue paper into a long strip. I'm going to fold this way, like this, and twist them like this. Now I have created the same with the other 3. Now these tissue papers, we have to put them like this. So put them like this in the cup. One in the red cup and the other in the empty cup. Now again with the next one, we have to put one in the yellow one and the other in the empty one. Like this. Now again one in the empty and the other in the yellow. And the last one, we have to put one in the blue cup and the other in the empty cup. We have to leave this for 2 hours and then come back to a surprise. can see the magic. The primary colors have been transmitted to the empty glasses. The primary colors were red, yellow and blue. Now, in the empty glasses, there are secondary colors which are orange and green. What did you see in this experiment? Did you see water in the empty glasses? What color was it? Now, the science behind this is tissues absorb the water from the filled glass. This water travels through the tissue into the other glass due to capillary action. Capillary action is the movement of a liquid through or along another material against an opposite force such as gravity. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.